Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds LENOVO ThinkPlus XT92. And on iPhone we have only one option how to check it, is to create a widget. So you need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and add widget. Scroll down and you need to find batteries. Tap at this line, or you can also use a search and write batteries here. Tap then here, and right here we have 3 presets. Select the best one for you and then click Add Widget. And you can check battery level right here anytime, but make sure that your earbuds turn on and connected to your phone. And this one, as I said, is the only one option because these earbuds have an application, so we cannot use the application to check it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!